This is interesting. I just think it's hilarious. That's crazy, dude. Yo, what's up, you guys? So we're at LAX right now during the pandemic. But we're only here because we're gonna get on this flight to Houston, do a 3-hour layover there, do a 1-hour flight to the middle of nowhere, Oklahoma. And it's too poppin' in here right now. There's too many announcements, but we go to Oklahoma because we're about to buy the holy grail of Hondas. Well, at least for me, this is what I've been searching for since I sold the NSX, so can't even do it. Can't do an intro. Can't do it, dude. It's impossible. We just got off our first flight. We're in Houston now. We gotta wait in this airport for the next 3 hours, get some sleep because it's technically 4 a.m. on our side. So, get a little nap, head off to Oklahoma City. Not the best, but I mean, gotta do what you gotta do. What are we doing, Brandon?
We're putting this track armor on the front end so it doesn't get more chips on the way back home.
This mesh thing on the side.
Yeah, there's not a whole lot of storage place.
Yeah. Every time I sit back in the driver's seat, though,
You're like,
I'm
yeah.
back home.
Just be careful with these roads out here. Oklahoma roads suck.
They're bad, a lot of potholes and stuff.
Yeah, I mean, in some areas.
Once I get on the freeway,
Once you get on the highway, you should be fine.
Oh, push to start.
Push to start.
Alright, let me get the Woo! Alright, you guys, so if you couldn't tell by now, went and picked up Apex Blue S2000 CR. So that's why we went all the way out to Oklahoma City. We're going now to Texas. We're gonna stay in Texas. I want to try and meet some Texas barbecue, you know. But before that, you know, a little bit about the car. You know, I mean, it's an Apex Blue CR. What else needs to be said? Been looking for one of these for a while. The car has a little bit of mods. It's got an exhaust on it. Surprised it doesn't really drone in here for having a test pipe. It's pretty quiet in here. But yeah, mostly it's just the Apex Blue CR. You guys saw this before. I saran wrapped the whole car basically with the track armor just to, I don't know, prevent any more rock chips from happening on the vehicle. But I mean, I'll give you guys a more in-depth walk around of the car later. But this is it. This is the Holy Grail S2000 right here. Apex Blue S2000 CR, one of 177 in this color. In my opinion, it's the best CR. It's the best color to buy one in. It's the only exclusive CR color. And plus, it just looks damn good. Yeah, so we're on our way now to Amarillo, Texas. Cool little road trip. You get to see how cool Oklahoma is, you know? And we'll catch you guys at the next spot.
Dude, how was the drive, man?
Oh, so fun, dude. So much cool stuff to see. Alright, you guys. Got in here. The drive's not bad. The car has full exhaust, so everything is going to be really loud, but it doesn't drone at all. Check it out. CR. We're going to stay. Ooh, alright, you guys. So that's the first leg done. I think it's only like 300 something miles or so. Only takes about 3.5 hours, so first impressions on the CR is it rides like a normal S. Knowing that I had the full T1R exhaust, I thought it was gonna be a lot louder than it was. But you know, it doesn't drone at all. It's not bad at all. Cruise control, AC is cold, but the only bummer is that we all know stock CR, or not even stock CR, stock S2000 radios are garbage. It's basically like having two little Bluetooth speakers on each side that you can barely hear, but other than that, you know, it's driving really smooth, AC is nice and cold, especially it's real nice out here because it's like 95 degrees everywhere. But yeah, so we're at the first Airbnb. We actually got an entire place. Let me show you guys that real quick. There's actually one bedroom over here. Couches, big TV. Another living room, a massage chair, ooh, I might need that. Dang, a kitchen? Seeing this size?
Pretty nice.
Yeah, with the kitchen, the dining table. Want to use the massage chair?
Oh yeah.
And then we got bathroom here. Bam. Another bedroom here.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
And then one more bedroom here so we can invite guests, you know? So we're here, we're gonna chill for a little bit, but only reason we're stopping here, the only thing to do, eat some barbecue. So we're gonna chill and get some food.
Horizontal.
I need it for the video.
Oh, true.
We got ribs, more ribs, brisket. What's happening? It's Marshall here, and I feel like it's time to properly introduce the Honda S2000 CR to you guys. So now that we're finished with day one, first leg of the trip, like 350 miles down, we're in Amarillo, Texas now, and we got a good spot here at the back of our Airbnb in the driveway. They got a nice little parking lot area. So let's go over some of the details of this CR and exactly why I picked it up. So the first reason I picked it up is Apex Blue. I've been looking for an Apex Blue. To me, a CR has to be Apex Blue because it's just the best color out of all of them. The blue is it's just super cool, stands out, and plus it's a CR exclusive colorway. But I mean, this to me is just the ultimate S2000. So what we have here is a 61,000 mile car. It's got a few rock chips here and there, but I mean, I wanted a driver's car, not something that I would be too scared to put miles on or do something like this, a 13 to 1400 mile road trip with it. Other thing it has is rolled fenders because it also came with these nice Advan RZ2s with some brand new tires as well. Some of the other things done to it, it has a full T1R exhaust with test pipe as well. And coming into this, I was a little scared it was a drone and be really loud for the highways that we're cruising on, but no drone at all. Actually, the ride has been really comfortable for an S2000. Yeah, so no drone on the T1R exhaust. It also has an AEM cold air intake, upgraded throttle body, and Honda Flash Pro, as well as a nice Brembo BBK on there as well. So car came with a few nice mods. Other than that, fully reversible car besides the rolled fenders. But honestly, I don't care that much about that. That means I can throw on some nice wheels, TEs, Regas, whatever I want to do with it and not feel guilty. So there it is. It's a brief overview of the CR I just picked up. Apex Blue, all VINs matching, no accidents car. Yeah, so this has been day one. We're in Texas right now. Tomorrow we're gonna head off another 4 hour or so drive, another 300 something, 400 miles to Santa Fe, New Mexico. So stay one, you guys, and we'll catch you guys later. Yo, what's up, you guys? So it's day two. It's Monday morning now here in Amarillo, Texas. The CR is all nice and safe in the shade back here in this nice little driveway that they have here. So today is gonna be another little chill drive. We're gonna head from here to Santa Fe, New Mexico, about 4 hours or so. So nothing crazy on this road trip, just nice, short, little chill drives here through the Midwest of the United States. Hopefully it's a little bit more stuff to see and not as flat, but it's probably not gonna be very eventful. All right, just to show you guys, we're gonna get everything packed in here. So we got a bunch of stock parts in the back, so this is how we're traveling, real light. Throw this in this little cubby. Smash it in there. Boom. And we're good to go. All packed up, ready to head out. Get on the road, get some gas. Boom. We went to Whataburger because apparently I gotta try it before I leave Texas. Got the honey butter biscuit sandwich. Ooh, thank you. Have a good one. Ran this thing to empty, 260 miles.
90, bro.
They only have 90. So we're just gonna eat in this Valero because they only have 90. She said there's 91 up the street, so can't get gas here. But here's the sandwich.
All right.
One down, 11-gallon tank, 25 bucks to fill it up. Should be good for another 280 miles or so. Ooh, all right, you guys, we made it. Santa Fe. How many miles was that? Like 260? 270? Yeah, but we're gonna go eat at some pretty poppin' New Mexican joint here called the Pantry Restaurant, and we'll show you guys that food. But we made it. Second leg of the trip done. We got second item for fun. Just because this kind of stuffed French toast. This shit is gas. Alright, second leg of the trip done. Santa Fe, New Mexico. We're gonna stay at this little resort joint here. Yeah, chill out. Eat some more food later, but second day done.
16. Ooh.
All right, you guys, so this is the resort we're staying in Santa Fe, New Mexico. So we got a little kitchen action here, a little fridge, whatever, little place to eat, even though we're not gonna use that. Got a couch here that turns into a bed. And then there's one big bedroom here. Yeah, it's not bad. $100 a night. Little bathroom action over here. Yeah, there we go. That's the place, Santa Fe. We'll probably chill here for a little bit because we just ate a huge lunch, 2 meals at lunch. But we gotta get some chili rellenos for dinner, so chill here for a little bit and then go get some food for dinner. Sick margarita, man. The lighting sucks, but I got this chicken enchiladas, sopapillas, chili relleno. That's why we drove out here for is this.
Actually, this is probably the star.
Well, what's up, you guys? Day 3, heading out of Santa Fe. About to hop back in the CR. Today's actually gonna be a longer leg of the trip, like 450 miles to Sedona, Arizona. So hopefully a little bit more shit to see on the way there. Should be a little bit nicer roads out there in Arizona. But yeah, happy we're gonna be chilling on the food this time because not as much stuff to do, so we probably won't eat like 5 meals again, which my stomach will be happy about. But yeah, so 6.5 hour drive and we'll catch you guys on the way. Not really much to see, but you know, take a picture of it. All right, you guys, we're here. We're in Sedona, Arizona. So we're like 1,000 miles in. Yeah, gonna check in and chill out though, but 1,000 miles in the car now, almost home. So we're staying at another resort. This time, this one's on a golf course. It's crazy windy here. It's gonna be 1501. Boom.
Boom.
What do we got going on in here? This is a little smaller, huh?
Yeah, for sure.
Not bad though.
I mean, it'll do.
It's chill.
It will do.
Boom. Here's the patio to our spot. As you can see, we got the Murano convertible. Ooh. Fire. And there she is. Just gonna go walk around. I don't know, we don't really want to hike, so not much to do. We're gonna go walk around the resort a little bit, just check out the golf course, and then probably drive around, see if we can get a nice little photo with the S2K, since, I mean, how often is going to be a CR Apex Blue seat in Sedona, Arizona? Probably not very often, right? So let's go. Oh, what's up, you guys? So it's the last day. It's like 9 a.m. right now, just enjoying some coffee out here before we head out. But we got the longest drive of the trip. Just gonna try to get home. But yeah, almost finally done. Sedona, Arizona to California. We'll see you guys there. Heading out, last leg of the trip, 7 hours left in this little car. It's still here, no one stole it. Didn't get broken into, that's good. Alright, you guys, we made it back home, dropping off Brandon at his house. Yeah, finally, car did really well. 1,458 miles total. Car's now at 62,280 miles. Finally out of 9-degree weather. Car performed flawlessly. I mean, she's a champ. Made it back one piece. All throughout 95-degree weather basically the whole way. Finally back home where it's nice and 70s. Yeah, there it is, you guys. If you guys made it this far in the video, you know, I don't know, hit like, subscribe, you can comment, whatever you want to do. Probably have more videos on this car coming soon. Gotta get coils and wheels and do all that goodness. Yep, till next time, peace out.